Alright guys, it's Sunday, March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. You can probably see on the truck here the pollen is out. Yesterday I went to the Sandhills Antique Farm Equipment old timey farm day. I didn't record much. I took a lot of steals. I had inherited my niece for the weekend, so I had my two girls and her and my wife, and it just didn't lend itself to video, at least to me. But what I'm going to do is put together my pictures. Saw a lot of neat stuff there. It's always a neat little show. Bumped into some people I've been looking forward to shaking their hand. Colton Lloyd, Jeremy from Double J Farm Homestead, and his son, I believe it's Carson, that's the Moore's Outdoors. I missed the other one. He was there. He just wasn't in the same place I was. I want to link their stuff too. Got to meet them. It was a really neat thing to get to do that. If y'all have seen Farm 51's video from the Cub Barn, go check it out if you haven't. But Mr. Centers had some stuff there, including something I knew existed but never saw before, a cub implement that wasn't IH but was built for cubs. I got a picture or two of one of his cubs with that on it. But I hope y'all enjoy this. Like I said, maybe a video or two clip, but mostly it's just going to be a montage of steals. Thanks for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing and supporting, and we'll see you.